我们的
Chua
Ru Xun。
Hi, I'm Ru Xun. So this is my 5-room flat. This house interior design is done by Interior Times. So for my house, I'm going for the Muji theme, which is non-complex and simple. So when my wife approached Interior Times, their designer there gave us some of the themes and design to accomplish this Muji theme. So I chanced upon Renopedia through Instagram and Facebook ads. I really like the long walkway of my house. So as you can see, the walkway together with the carpentry and the settee looks very cozy and welcoming. So another feature I like about our house is the settee by the window. So every evening, my wife and I will enjoy the breeze by the settee. This price comes very timely to us as my wife and I are going for a short getaway trip to Korea. So this price amount will help to offset some of our expenses. To all the homeowners out there, I would highly suggest that you do your homework, know what you want for your theme, and collaborate with your ID to come up with this theme of your own. Visit Renopedia for more information on interior designing.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.